how to do the Temu method 25 best way. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use the Temu method in 25. So first of all, new users can often find significant discounts and free items through welcome after welcome offers and promotional codes. And Temu frequently provides special deals and discounts for new users, which can be combined with other offers. And keep an eye out for promotional codes that can be applied during checkout to unlock additional discounts. And major sales events like Black Friday or holiday promotions often feature significant price reductions. And you can share your unique referral link with friends and family to earn rewards when they make purchases. You'll get a percentage of the product price, and both you and the referred user may receive bonuses or discounts for using the referral link. And if you have unique products, you can list them on Temu as a seller. So buy popular items on Temu at lower prices and resell them on other platforms for a profit. You can promote Temu products on social media or your website and earn commissions on sales generated through your links. And list Temu products on your own online store or marketplace and have Temu handle the shipping and fulfillment. And log into your Temu daily to collect rewards and participate in games or promotions, and monitor your orders for price drops and request price adjustments if eligible. And you can familiarize yourself with Temu's interface, product categories, and promotional mechanics. And you can also stay informed about new promotions, product launches, and changes to the platform's policies. Try various approaches to find what works best for your goals and resources. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.